This is Petra. Petra could be a teacher in university, high school, or elementary school. Petra has two goals in mind while teaching. She wants her students to both learn content and the moral issues related to the subject. Petra started learning about a new constructivist technique called VaKE, which stands for Values and Knowledge Education. She is very excited about it since this learning method combines her two goals in teaching. So, what is this method all about? Now we will show you an example of the VaKE process. Petra must think up a dilemma that is related to the content she will be teaching. For instance, energy is the topic for today's class. Dilemma introduction and problem-based learning. Petra presents the dilemma in class. The Minister of Energy has to sign a bill that will allow for solar panels to be put in fields all over the sunny southern part of the country. These panels will destroy the wildlife in those areas. Decision-making and self-reflection. Petra has the class vote whether to sign or not sign the bill, and the class is divided into two groups according to their votes. First, discussion. Petra sets the guidelines for discussion. No yelling, no interrupting one another, no personal attacks. A lively first debate ensues between the two groups. Collecting questions. Petra listens carefully and collects all the questions that come up during the debate and makes the missing information visible for the whole class. What percentage of the land is needed for the panels? Can the wildlife animals be transferred to a different area? Are there other feasible methods of energy available? The students realize they are missing information. They become very motivated to acquire knowledge, since they are now involved in the story. Information research and autonomous learning. The students search and collect information in order to answer their questions and support their arguments. In the next class, the students present what they have collected. Information exchange. The students present their information in a way the group has agreed, and another debate occurs. Second, discussion and learning through trial and error. The class reflects if the information and attitude is appropriate. At each point, the students are free to switch groups if they are convinced of a different point of view. Organizing the information. Petra organizes the synthesis of information so that it is accessible for everybody in the class. Summarizing in a creative way. The class is asked to synthesize the information in any number of creative ways, like writing a newspaper article, artwork, diaries, or a symposium. Generalization and transition. Petra discusses with the class other related topics, which helps lead them to generalize the issues that were brought up. The students have become more independent, self-motivated learners in issues of the mind and the heart. Knowledge is transformed, and Petra is satisfied.